lake this morning on this foggy day. I tried coming out here last night to do a little evening fishing, and it wasn't supposed to rain at all. And well, guess what happened? I was out there for about 10 minutes and it started raining, and I could hear thunder off in the distance, so it was a very quick trip. I did manage to catch one at least. And that was it. So hopefully I'll catch some more this morning. Got something on here. Bad one to start the day. Not too bad. It's only about 14 inches or so. It's bigger than the ones I was catching a couple weeks ago there. That's for sure. Something on here. Actually not a bad size yellow perch. It's funny because I used to catch those all the time out here when I was younger, and I haven't really seen any in years. This year I've caught a few, so maybe they're coming back. Who knows? Where's this one? Using a big old Smithwick Rattlin Rogue there, out here in the deeper water. I was hoping to catch something a little bigger, but I'll keep trying out here in the deeper water with this thing. So I did have some strikes on it before this too. Not terribly big, but I'll take it. Let's look at another one. Huh, take me right to all the weeds and everything. Oh, this one's a nice one. Oh, get over here. Pretty nice one right there. Oh, 16 inches. Yeah, he's ready to go. That guy pulled me right through all those weeds. Pretty funny. Well, I'm going to be heading home here pretty soon, but I'm going to try this little area right here first before I head out. Hopefully at least catch one more. There's another yellow perch. Guess I'm going to finish it up here, do a couple more casts. Got a couple decent ones today. Didn't catch much, but a couple decent ones anyways. So Thanks for watching. Until next time.